A very good morning, dear students. In the Rural Administration chapter, so far we studied about how the role of administration takes place in the village. It starts from the role of village Panchayat Raj. If the Panchayat Raj is not there, there comes into the picture who? The police. So the police job is to what? To solve the problems which are occurring in the village or in urban in any of the region. So whenever the crime arises, they are responsible to handle it carefully. And the main responsibility of the police is what? To reduce the crimes and to punish those who break the law. Here the superintendent of police who will be the highest police officer at the district level, and for under him there will be small areas which will be looked after by the police station, and these police station will be headed by a station house officer. Under him there will be assisted by the constables. Who the station officer is going to assist the constable, and these they both together will maintain the law and order in the area assigned to them. Then coming to the reporting a crime, how they will report or record a crime. So whenever the person or the group of people went and raise their complaint in front of the police, they whenever they state their problems in that particular region or the particular station, police station belongs to them. So once the people go to and go and ask about the complaint towards the police, they lodge the complaint with a written document, written complaint, and along with the audio. It is the first information report that we saw. And sometimes if the proper evidence and the proof is not got by the police, they will not investigate the cases, they will drop out the case. So now comes to the maintenance of land records and rural administration, how it takes place. Let us see. Maintenance of land records. What type of land records? The land, basically in the villages the land is the main property which will be held by the people, and they depend upon agriculture. Agriculture is will be done with the help of the land. So this is the basic property of the village people. So when there any cases occurs happens due to the land owner and among the purchaser or the seller and the land owner and the giver and the taker, sometimes disputes might taken place due to the in case of finance or in giving in acceptance of the money. In such kind, what happens, there will be a maintenance of land records. Many a times even the property may not be in the original owner name, it might be in some mother's name, like ancestors or uncle's aunt, but the two parties may be exchange their property and they sell it to some for some prices. So some in such cases, in order to know the proper records, we will approach the patwari. So the poll, when the disputes arises in related to land cases, the police investigate. How the police is going to start with regard to this case? So, dear students, the maintenance of land records. What does it deals with? The police, when starts investigating a case and resolves the disputes or the quarrels which arise out of the certain records related to a land. Now, when it comes to the case of Sanjay, we saw that he has sold his property to the Ganesham. Later, due to the suggestions of his wife and friends, he complained to the police about his land and which he sold to the Ganesham. But how did he solve these cases? By providing all the land documents. In the same way, the Sanjay, he could resolve his, if he provided the police with the proof of his ownership, that is the owner of that particular land. Suppose if he provided all the documents to the police, he have won the case which was acquired by the Ganesham. The same way, in many of the cases happens in the village, the records of the land, like what are kinds of records they maintain, like names of the owners, size of the land, length and breadth, how much it is there, and the crops cultivated by them, from how many years they are owner of that land, who are all related with that particular land, are recorded and maintaining by the patwari. So patwari is who? So student, a patwari is a government official or officer who usually maintains the who keeps the records which regarding what? Regarding the ownership of land. So he maintains the land details, land records of a particular owners. So there has been giving the following duties which will be performed by this Patwari. What he does is he performs the following duties. Let us see one by one. First one is measuring the agricultural field. Suppose one of your father or grandfather will be having a land. So this Patwari, what he will do, he measures his this agricultural field. How much length it is there, breadth it is there, how much feet it will there. All those things he is going to measure. Then he keep the land records such as the size of the field. Then who is hold land by different people in his area. So the total area, the size of the land, the owner's name and the crops grown in the field and the facility available to the farmers by the government to that particular land. Then third point, updating the land records such as the new owner of the land. Suppose the old owner or the father might be having the ownership. Next he might be transferring his ownership to his son or daughter. Some that time he again changes the name owner of the land and he re-records it the document. In case of transfer of the land from one person to another person and in case of change in crops cultivated in his area. So first point is he is going to measure the agricultural field. Next, he maintains